Hey you guys, I am packing for the BirdTricks free flight trip. I am packing my bird stuff right now and I forgot to put the camera on. So this is like nuts for them. You need a lot of them. We're bringing 3 birds with us. 2 birds in my stepdad's car. You gotta this is probably not even that much, but I'm gonna mix it up too. This is sprouted walnuts. They love that. And then what else did I bring? BirdTricks freeze dry. This is super easy to use if you're on a trip. What else? Okay, so you might be thinking what is this? Keanu, blue-throated macaw, is not weaned yet, which is so annoying. And we have to bring all of this formula. This is formula food. So we have to bring that. We got syringes for him to feed him. BirdTricks' pellets. Noah's Parrot Wizard's pellets. This time I didn't bring so much because I feel like it won't be the end of the world, but we always try to pack a lot. We've been into longer roads, going to Oregon or Utah, and you need a lot more stuff because if you're in the middle of nowhere, Utah, it's gonna be really hard to find a lot of stuff, especially birds food. But yeah, I think this is really good. Pine nuts. Let me bring the whole thing. This is so good. This is for my snack too. Sprouted almonds are so good. Wait, I think I don't need a whole pack of it. Ooh, it looks so good. Let me eat it. Oh my god. It's so good. Yeah. Sunflower seeds. We have a checklist going on. So parrot food. Cross that off. Okay. So we are going on a road trip with my birds, and I am currently packing Noah's backpack, and it's super important to always put new toys when you're on a long road trip with birds so they don't get bored. I'm putting a lot of Noah's favorite wood toys right now. We fit all the birds inside, and there's one more. Kona, daijoubu Kona. Where are you, Kona? Hi, Kona. This is all our stuff. I covered it with a towel so he won't bite. He won't bite it. That's other stuff. There's a lot more stuff above our car too. So yeah. Hi you guys, welcome to the Parrot Life. We are traveling with the birds. We are going to be flying with BirdTricks soon, and it's the morning of Kana. Good morning. I'm trying to make toast right now. I'm trying to find jam. I can't concentrate on the birds. I love this jam. The farmer's market. Okay, this is a good angle. Let's get calm down. Ah. I know. Ah. Who's the good bird? Who's the good bird? Basically, we are at our Airbnb and this is day 0. This is the view from our Airbnb. We were just settling in with the birds. The sunset was just so wild. Please stay tuned for part 2.